Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Nelson POV. My name is Nelson. Today I got something special for you. It's a little bit different. There's going to be pretty noisy today just because I'm at a car wash. I'm actually in my detail area right here behind the dealership. Yes, I sell cars. I have a car dealership. We have a mechanic shop and a full detail area back here. Today I got this Suma ceramic spray wax. I've used a bunch of spray wax. I've used clays and all kinds of different stuff. So I'm very excited to try something new. I got this sent over to me by Suma. So this is a sponsored video by Suma. They want me to try it out. And I also got one of their super big microfiber towels. Let's open this guy up because I plan on having this microfiber towel for life. Oh my God, yes. Oh, super thick. Just the way I like them. Oh yeah, that's a towel. That's really, really good. I'm gonna be using this one for this car right here. Got my boy over here. He's gonna be helping me out, and we're gonna get to it right now. We're gonna find out how good this Suma spray wax is and if I recommend it to you guys or not. I love Meguiar's, so it's gonna be an ultimate test right here. It says wash and dry your car, spray Suma directly onto the car, wipe to ensure Suma is applied evenly using a microfiber towel or sponge. I did scan the QR code because I wanted to know exactly the way you do it, because I'm going to show you guys exactly the way it is to do it on this. And it says wash and dry your car. You could even leave it like moist. You can have your microfibers moist. It works all the same, but you are going to spray this on and let it sit for about 5 minutes and then wipe it off, just like traditional wax. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go through step by step how to use it. So first is gonna be to wash the car. I've actually recently waxed this car too, so I spoke to the guy and he says it will enhance the wax that's already on there. So that is very cool. Providing up to, it says 6 months of protection, somewhere around here. Maybe it says it on the thing. It says to do it every 3 months, you know, but it should last up to 6 months. Just depending on the conditions outside. Let's do it. Story time real quick. So Suma reached out to me, said, hey, make me a video. Did some research on the product. I was like, yeah, you know, I could use some of that, you know? And then he didn't have to, but he sent me a big 8-ounce bottle. I could use some of that. I said to myself, because the sample was 2 ounces, and I'm just like, you can't do nothing with 2. I was like, Ed, help me out here, bro. He sent me 8 ounces and he sent me a free microfiber towel. This is huge for me. It's not just big the way I like it, but it's also huge because I just gave my father-in-law my favorite microfiber towel, which was about this size. Cost me about $20, $30 at Walmart, and I miss it so much. But he's putting it to good use because he's got a brand new truck. But I was really in need of this, and thank you, Ed from Suma, for sending me all this stuff right here, because now I'm gonna be able to do this car, another car, and my personal car. So we got our Honda Accord here, we got it washed, and it's been waxed up. A little trouble spot that I have here is this spot right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. We're about to spray our Suma. Directions say spray onto the towel. What's going on with this thing? It's got some kind of safety on it. Oh, there you go. Very cool. Thank you for that. Give this thing a good shake. I've been shaking it. Doesn't say anything about shaking the product, but it just smells like soap. I was hoping for a really cool waxy kind of smell. It says to just apply it and spread it evenly. It says it will do some kind of a mist. So let me just do this kind of panel here. Okay, I don't think it needs that much work. It says you can do the whole car in 10 minutes. So next I'm just gonna do this top trunk and then we'll just keep moving. Let me spray my entire towel. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but when I was washing it, I was doing just an up-down motion just like this. It seems like it's drying out pretty fast. I'm gonna switch it up here because it's easier. You guys the results when we're done. Let me do this whole car. Hey guys.
That's so funny.
Yeah, he knows he's gonna get tortured by the boy.
No, he's playing tag with him.
Oh. Our Suma spray wax installed. It's been about 5 minutes, so this is a wax on, wax off type of deal. But you do have to let it sit so that it binds to the paint, to the wax, whatever's on it. Just do a quick walk around. I still have kind of the same scratches. There is a slight fog to the paint right now. I think that needs to be removed, and that's what's gonna happen right now. There is still water spots. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there was water spots before. There's still water spots now. So this Suma product has brought me some shine, but I mean, this is a 16-year-old, I'm not gonna be able to talk, Honda Accord, right? And I mean, it's got its age, it's black, so it's got beaten on by the sun. It's 110 today, very hot. So yeah, I mean, it's just what's gonna happen. Let me go with my towel, my big old Suma towel, and remove it. I love this towel. So what do you guys think? My final review of this product, I think that this is, I think a 7 out of 10. The Honda looks amazing. I sprayed the headlights. There is some things, I mean, that it just did not come off. You know, I still have water spots on it that I had before. Still got some scratches and some blemishes that did not come off. But this is a quick spray. It did take me 10 minutes. I even let it sit for about another 5 minutes. I think the product is awesome. I think it works good. This is 2008, 16-year-old car. So it doesn't blow my mind, but it is a good product. I think it's a really, really thing to look into. I think Eddy, the owner, is awesome. You know, to send me something like that is really, really cool. But let me know what you guys think. If you guys ever try this product, you can see right there, it's not perfect, but I mean, yeah, it's a spray on, it's quick, it's easy. I got 8 more ounces of it. I'm gonna play around with it more. I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.